Hello everyone, here we have again another cocktail for this month. Today we're gonna make pretty much what is the OG of the Espresso Martini. This cocktail called Sombrero. The base will be tequila reposado, some Kahlua, and some homemade whipped cream. In this case we're gonna tweak the recipe a little bit. We're gonna start with some homemade whipped cream. For that we're gonna need a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice. In this case I'm gonna use a half a bar spoon, a little less than half a bar spoon, a dash of vanilla extract. That should be good enough. That was around 4 drops. And in a way whipped cream is kind of a blank canvas, so for the cocktail that we're gonna make, we're gonna add some orange bitters, 3 dashes of that. And now we have some heavy cream. We're gonna do 2 ounces of this. There you go, 2 ounces. Off you go. And for this, we're gonna just dry shake it, no ice. It's gonna be a nice long shake. Keep it nice and sealed and keep shaking it. Pretty much shake it until you cannot really hear the liquid keep going. Obviously we're doing this with a shaker. You can do it with a whisk or however you're used to make whipped cream. We're just doing this bar style. So here we go, much better. So there we go, some homemade whipped cream. Now that we have the whipped cream, I'm gonna put this on the side. We're gonna use that in a second. And as I mentioned, the Sombrero, the OG Espresso Martini, basically is a cocktail that has some tequila reposado. In our case, we're gonna use Hornitos Black Barrel for extra flavor. And instead of using Kahlua, that has the original recipe, I'm using a cold brew and splash of Frangelico. So we're gonna have 3/4 of an ounce of a cold brew, strong cold brew, nice, not too bitter. 3/4 of an ounce of cold brew, 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Then we're gonna add some Frangelico, a little nutty flavor there. And it's going to be half an ounce. There you go, half an ounce. For the tequila, as I mentioned, we're using Hornitos Black Barrel. You can use any kind of añejo that you like, or you want to try with reposado, but personally I like this guy a lot. There you go, 2 full ounces. I'm sorry, 1 ounce and a half. 1 ounce and a half. Now we get a little shaker, some ice cube, large ice cube. Let's keep on talking about it. And we're gonna seal it well. And good shake. That should be good. Let's see our martini. Sizzling, perfect. As you can see, it's very foamy. It's because we shook it quite well. Now on top of that, we're gonna put the sombrero, aka the hat, which is gonna be our homemade whipped cream. There you go, something refreshing and tasty. Any questions, concerns, or you are looking for more recipes for cocktails, you can always check the Instagram page, the Juice Lab, or keep adding comments to the videos. So far I have a couple more, hoping to make some more cocktails in the future for the video, and enjoy the summer. Cheers!